All right, let's talk about one of the most common lenses Canon has ever made, the EF-S 18 to 55 millimeter lens. If you've ever owned a Canon DSLR, chances are this lens has been in your bag at some point. This is a super lightweight, everyday zoom that covers pretty much everything you'd need as a beginner or casual shooter. At 18 millimeters, you get a nice wide angle for landscapes, travel, and indoor shots zoom all the way to 55 millimeters, and it becomes great for portraits, street photography, and everyday moments. You also get image stabilization, which is a big help for handheld photos and video, especially in lower light. It keeps your shots steadier and makes the whole shooting experience more forgiving. Autofocus is quick and reliable, and while this isn't Canon's sharpest or fastest lens, it absolutely gets the job done for everyday use. The image quality is solid, the colors look good, and it's perfect for anyone learning photography or creating casual content. So why buy it? Because it's affordable, simple, lightweight, and extremely versatile. It's the perfect starter lens for any APS-C Canon DSLR. Who should use it? Beginners, students, travel shooters, families, and anyone who wants a no-nonsense lens that can handle daily photos and videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.